How's it going, everybody? In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Thunderbolt Dock. It's got it in here from Dell. This is the WD19TBS. Let's take a quick look here at the product page on Dell's website. This is the product right here. They're claiming the world's most powerful Thunderbolt dock. We'll see. It's definitely one of the most expensive Thunderbolt docks. But looking for something powerful, stable, it's going to have really good performance, great throughput speed with a laptop. You can get all this information here on Dell's website, how they use it, all the features on it, which we'll take a look at here in a second. You get plenty of display outs. They give you some more USB, Ethernet controls, USB Type-C, things like that. So that is the product page there. Gives you all the detailed information to what to expect from this. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. So first thing up in our box, we're going to get our safety and environment guide. Put that in the recycle. Our Thunderbolt quick start guide. We'll take a look at that in a second if we need to. Oops. You're going to get a power adapter with the plug to power the docking station. This is 180 watts power adapter. And then, excuse me, we're going to get the actual dock itself. With our USB Type-C connector that powers this whole thing, which is pretty cool. That you can run all of this over a single USB now. Here is our docking unit, just like the pictures there. So you've got your two display ports, your HDMI, Thunderbolt USB-C, two USB 3.0s, Ethernet power in, and then an additional sorry, that's the USB-C. That actually says, I think, DisplayPort. Is that what I mean? Hold on. Where's our guide here? Number 5. That is, USB multifunction DisplayPort. Okay. Yeah, so it's USB, but it can also drive, I guess, more displays. So I don't know how many displays you can actually drive from this thing. I'm sure it says online. I only need to drive 2. But I imagine you can drive quite a few. So that is this here. There's nothing else in the box. Pretty simple. This is what you're paying for here. Now the website says that it can handle 130 watts, which is what I needed. But I'm guessing that maybe the, let's see here, if it says here on the website, and I'll show you. USB standard is 100 watt. Dell uses proprietary technology level 130. For the Dell. So we're going to find out. We're going to plug this in. Is that 130 watts without the power adapter, or do you need the power adapter either way? We're going to find out. I'm going to go ahead and get this plugged into the laptop, and then I will show you here how it's set up and how it works. Alright, so you can see here I got the dock connected in via the USB. It is now plugged in there. We'll rearrange this a little on the desk, but it's meant basically so you've got two ports kind of facing towards the front here, and then on the back, obviously you've got more ports for multiple monitors, USB, Ethernet, things like that. So we've got all that support here. This power button here does work on some of the Dell systems. From what I've read, it basically, I believe, the XPS, some of the Latitude, some of the Precision systems, basically so you can like shut the lid on your laptop and use that to power on your laptop. It doesn't seem to work with this Alienware, with the Alienware machine I have here, which is unfortunate, which means you kind of have to, if you want to close the lid of your laptop, you have to make sure, you have to open it if you're going to turn it back on, things like that. So check, if that's something you definitely want, check the feature on that. As far in this case though, I'm primarily, this laptop's going to be left open, so it's really not that big of a deal in that case. Just to explain a little bit more for the power adapter, I'm learning I'm learning here. It makes more sense. So you plug power into your docking station here. The docking station then, through the USB, can power your laptop if it supports it through the USB connector here, right? So right now the laptop is actually charging and sending everything through this single plug. So what makes this nice is when you sit down with your laptop, all you have to do is plug in this one thing. Your power adapter back here powers the box and everything that it needs here. The only limitation is that's where the 130 watts comes from. So earlier in the video, you were probably, if you already knew this, you were questioning me. If you didn't know this, here's the explanation. This is a 180 watt power adapter. The USB can handle sending 130 watts to the laptop. The other 50 watts, I'm assuming, is dedicated power for this itself. So that's why this is 180, and that's where the 130 watts come from, is that's all it can send to the laptop. Now in this case, this is an Alienware gaming machine. Right now, probably fine, 130 watts, because we're not gaming. If we start gaming on this thing, because it did notify me as soon as I plugged it in that this was underpowered, which makes sense because this is the 180 watt power adapter that comes with the docking station. If you're using this for business use, things like that, this could very well be enough to power the docking station and your laptop, which would be super convenient for you being mobile. This is the power brick for the Alienware, which was 240 watts by itself. So in my case here, I do need to also plug in the laptop as well. So, but that's just to show you the use case here. Like I said, it is charging. It would be fine in most cases, but because this is a gaming computer and I am going to be gaming on it, need to keep dedicated power to the machine. All right, hopefully that helps explain if you did not know what it means when it says 130 watts power, yet it comes with a 180 watt power adapter. That means it is supplying 130 watts of power, through the USB Type-C connection right there. I kept grabbing this one. This is the USB to my camera. This is the cable that's actually able to provide power back to the laptop if your laptop can support it. So there you go, guys. That's my setup of that Dell docking station. This is my first day with it as well. So if you have any questions, things I didn't cover in the video that you have questions on, or if you're looking at getting it yourself and you want to know some things, put a comment down below. I try to monitor the comments as often as I can, and I'll respond to them and can answer any of the questions you have there. Going to start using this as the weeks go on and I get the hang of it, start using it. If there's anything else that comes up that I think is important, I'll probably do another video with any update on that. And I am looking at possibly getting a XPS laptop, which would take advantage of some of the features on the base, such as the power with the lid shut. So I'll give that maybe a try if I go that direction. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was helpful. If it was, be sure to give the video a like. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more reviews like these, including things like cryptocurrency. And I'll see you all in the next video. I hope you have a great day.